Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 5:30.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:30.
What time do you arrive school?
I arrive school at 6:45.
What time do you read the flag?
I read the flag at 7 o'clock.
What time do you start classes?
I start classes at 7:30.
What time do you finish your classes?
I finish my classes at 11:30.
What time do you leave school?
I leave school at 11:45.
What time do you arrive home?
I arrive home at 12 o'clock.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30.
What time do you take a nap?
I take a nap at 12:45.
What time do you have extra classes?
I have extra classes at 1 o'clock.
What time do you finish your extra classes?
I finish my extra classes at 4 o'clock.
What time do you play football?
I play football at 4:30.
What time do you eat? What time do you have make dinner?
I have make dinner at 5 o'clock.
What time do you have eat dinner?
I have dinner at 6:30.
What time do you do homework?
I do homework at 6:45.
What time do you read books?
I read books at 6:35.
What time do you review the lesson?
I review the lesson at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
That's all for my question. Thank you very much for your answer.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.